All right, Davian Clark scored. Yeah, let's go to another story. Mount Pleasant Academy preserved their perfect start to the KFC Under-18 Elite Cup after clipping Harbourview 1-0 in their third round action at Waterhouse Stadium on Saturday. In what was a repeat of last year's final, Samuel Taylor found the winning goal for the defending champions in the 71st minute to give them the outright lead atop the table with maximum 9 points.
It's a wonderful feeling, you know. I guess it was a very intense game, physical game, but we did our best and we come away with the victory. You know, the senior team lose their match against the Harbourview team. We come out and we say we're just going to win it for them.
All right then, Samuel, it was nice talking to you. Bye-bye.
Meanwhile, Waterhouse FC got off the mark in their second game as they clipped Montego Bay United by 1-0. National youth player Jamon Lyle scored the decider for the hosts in the 56th minute. In the other game on the day, Portmore United scored a late penalty to earn a 1-0 draw with Ballers Academy.